Advice on how to overcome diabetes easily. Diabetes comes in many forms, but they are all manageable and can be lived with. Adopting a healthy lifestyle can minimize the effects of diabetes as well. This article can help to educate you and your loved ones about what diabetes means to you. Education is the best way to deal with diabetes. If you need to sweeten your tea or coffee, but you have diabetes, try using more natural sweeteners like honey or a sweetener and sugar substitute. These sweetener and sugar substitute can be found at many grocery stores today and as a plant extract, which is very sweet. It can even be found in a powdered form which mimics real sugar. Skip the French fries and ditch the baked potato. It's time to replace your carb-heavy side dishes with something that's actually good for a diabetic. Salad. I'm not talking potato or pasta salad, they're both carbohydrate disaster areas. Pick up some lettuce, shred some vegetables, throw on some tomato wedges and a nice light oil and vinegar dressing and dig in. If you suffer from diabetes, it is absolutely critical that you monitor the amount of alcohol you drink. Cutting back on alcohol consumption is one of the best things a diabetic can do to improve their health. Alcohol is loaded with empty calories and fast-acting carbohydrates. These fast-acting carbohydrates quickly raise blood sugar levels in the body, and this, in turn, can lead to type 2 diabetes complications. Read labels on the foods you buy to determine which foods are likely to cause your sugar to spike. While it's easy to see in unprocessed foods where the sugar or other ingredients are, it's not so simple with processed or packaged food. Read the labels and avoid items that have been known to interact with your sugar. If you are diabetic, one of the most important tips to follow is to have a proper diet. A proper diet consists of plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, whole grains and low-fat dairy products. This type of diet is important for overall health for anybody, but for diabetics it's important in order to keep blood sugar under control. As an added benefit, following a diet plan like this will also help you to lose weight. People who eat at least 2 servings of dairy a day are less likely to develop insulin resistance, even if they're significantly overweight. Even if you're already diabetic, including lots of low-fat dairy in your diet will help you to keep your blood sugar levels under control all day. Eat foods rich in fiber. By eating fruits, vegetables, and grains you will improve your diet. You will lose weight and feel great. Fiber can help give you more control over your blood sugar and lower your chances of getting heart disease. Other sources of fiber include nuts, seeds, and beans. When buying your diabetes medicines, ask for as much as possible at one time. The fee that is added when the pharmacist dispenses your prescription is the same whether you buy 30 days or 90. Therefore, spreading that cost out over multiple days will also reduce the per-dose cost of your medications. To spot foods that may be an issue for you, keep track of what you eat in a log alongside of your glucose levels. After a while, you'll be able to notice the effect that certain foods have on you. This is a much better way to spot problematic foods than an elimination diet, and can also show you what foods benefit your health. You have already learned in the above article that diabetes can be a manageable condition. Education is the key to that, and the above article can help to educate you about the things that you need to know. By educating yourself and taking action, you will find that diabetes is something that doesn't need to put a damper on your life.